15. And number 3 here, drives. Pull-up jumper at 3. Bang! Leyte. And stop. Water shot. Target is good. Kicks on the out. Number 7. Pull-up jumper. Free throw area. Back to the corner. Picks. Attacks. Binit-bit. Hang time. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Batang Pinoy Basketball League 2024. Do or die quarterfinals para sa laban ng Davao Region 11 versus Region 8 Leyte. And it's a jump ball mga idol. And ball possession for sa white team first. Sumalaksak off the window, no good. Put back shot, first blood. Sa koponan ng Leyte. Region 8. Kicks on the out. Number 27, pull up jumper. Free throw area. Back, it's good. Bounce pass, number 5. And pass to number 15. Holding the ball. Natapikan, kicks out. Stop, fix, corner pass. Spins, pass back. And drives, pull up jumper on the free throw, no good. Follow up shot and bag it for. And here you go, Leyte. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 2. And number 25 here. Launches on the 3. Won't go. Rebound number 15. And number 3 here drives. Pull up jumper at 3. Bang! 3. The rebound here looking for the receiver. And pass to number 27 there. Pass to number 16. He stops, cross pass. Drives. Bounce pass, number 16. And number 3 here for Team Davao. Atake mula sa gitna, corner pass. Her launches to Baget for good. And ball possession region 8. Leyte or Mock. Number 27, pass to the corner. Number 25 holds the ball. Di Discarte. Pass to the corner. Stops, pass to number 2. Drives, stops. Naagawan dito ng Davao. Pass break na yun. Number 3 tuloy-tuloy. Pasok yan para kay number 3, Team Davao. And crosses the mid lane. Region 8, Leyte. And to number 27, stop, launches on 3. Off the mark, still the rebound for Region 8. And number 25 fires on 3. Bang! Nothing but the net. For Team and Davao side step. Binato of the window, Manny. Here's Team Leyte. Region 8, dumediretso. Nabitin si Idol. Number 12. Pass to the corner, picks. Attacks, binit-bit, hang time! For Team Davao. Naaga ulit, Team Davao. Number 15, crossover, no look pass. Roder, bucket is good. And here's Team Leyte. And pass to number 11. To number 9. The ball movement here coming from the Leyte. And stop, Roder shot, bucket is good. And for number 12, Team Davao. Number 59. Crossover, step back for 3. Bang! And here's number 12, corner pass, fires on 3. Bang! Estomo! And here's number 9. Number 7. Pass to number 9. Oops. Basket. That's a basket. Baseball pass. Nabigla silang lahat. And binitbit. Oh, lumipad si Idol. The bird. Here's number 9. Corner pass. Fires on 3. Off the target. That's the end of the first. And it's Region 8 for Leyte. And pass to the inside. Naagawan dito. And number 18. Pass on it. Oh, binitbit na naman. Grabe talaga yun. And here's Leyte. Region 8, number 8. And setting the play. And dribbling the ball. Di discarded, bounce pass to the middle. Ito na naman si number 7. Lumipad na naman. Woo! And here's Team Leyte, Region 8. Number 8 here holds the ball. And dribble the ball. Mula sa gitna, stop. Supalpal ang inabot. Na-recover, fires. Bucket is good. And here's Ong. Sa gitna. Stops. Number 23. Number 16. Corner. Ong. Floater shot. Bucket for 2. Ong. And crosses the mid lane. Stops. Fires on 3. Bang! Nothing but the net. And rebound here for Team Leyte. Region 8. Number 23. Pass to number 8. Nakapick yung dalawa. Behind the back dribble, pull up jumper, Manny! And number 1 here. Umatake sa gitna, tuloy-tuloy. Oop, the high flyer, number 1. And there's number 1. Dire-diretso. Uy! Grabe yun. Nagulat ako kay Idol. Buti na. Pass break kayo, number 23. Oh, Filipino step, side step. Fires, wala. Uy! Pass inside. Fakes clutch. Fires. No good. Rebound. Para sa kuponan ng Leyte. Number 8. Sumalida. Pass on the inside. Eksakto yung timing. Wala. Di pumasok. And the pass break here. Bounce pass number. Oh! Behind the back. Lays. Oh! Jelly. And behind the back. And basket is look pass on the inside na check. And binato. And a long pass here. Nauna na si Idol. Ito na naman the high flyer for Team Davao. And number 4 here. Pass to the middle. Number 8 and number 2 to number 8. Pass back. At na-screen dito number 27. Floater shot. Bucket is good from the free throw. And number 12 is slowly moving down. Pass to number 7. Naagawan dito. And all alone now. Number 27. Kinaliwa. Easy bucket. And number 3 nagmamadali sa free throw area, pull up jumper off the target. And mari-rebound dito sa kuponan ng Region 8. And setting the play, asking for the pick. And here comes number 28 for the pick. And number 8 here, kicks out, corner. Dumistansya, creating space. And bumalik, pull of 3. Bang! 3-point! And here's number 8. For Region 8, number 8. He's slowly dribbling crossover, stop, pull up jet 3, bang! 3-point! Number 1 for Team Davao. Region 11. Estomo drives, pass to number 1. Recovered, attacks, bumangga, offensive pa. And crosses the mid lane, number 69. Kicks out, fakes, stop, fires on 3. In and out. Oops, rebound, put back, the savior, and the finish. Number 27 for Team Davao, number 1. He's slowly dribbling the ball. And pass to number 59. Sumagasa, basket and 1. Sinagasaan. And kicks out. Fires on the 3-point area. Bang! 3. And here's number 8. Binaba yung bola. Corner pass. Number 27. Kicks on the corner. Biglang pumukol sa 3. Too strong. And the pass break here. Corner number 59 to number 1. Dire-diretso si Idol. 10 masilong pa. Bucket for number 23 holds the ball. Number 23 corner. Fires on the 3. No good. Rebound number 1 to number 3. Crossover, umatake, kicks out, drives, tuloy-tuloy sa slice up, bucket is good. And number 16, binit-bit, lays, no good, follow-up shot. That's the end of corner pass. Side step, oops, nagaw din pabalik. Oops, pasa gitna. Tinasa ulit. Fires on them. Ooh, sa ilalim yun. Region 11, number 12. Corner. Fires on 3. Bang! Nothing but that. Team Davao, number 12. Oops, asking for the pick. Tinasa kay number 5. Number 5. Kaya daw, sabi ni coach. Hook shot left. Hey, bucket is good. And here's Team Davao. Number 12. Pass to number 59, Estomo. Estomo, long 3. Bang! Estomo! Number 25 here crosses the mid lane. And pass to the corner, na bitawan yung bola. And the long pass here, sakto yung pasa, far of the window. That's number 17 over 4. Number 9. Corner pass, launches on the 3. Bang! Nothing but net. Number 3. For Davao. Crossover, pull up jumper off the hoop. And the pass break here. 1-on-1. Oh, binailalim pa, muntik na, pero for the inbound here, number 9, number 11. Pass back, number 9. Kicks out, fires on the long 3. Bang! 3-point. And number 1 here for Davao, Region 11. Number 3, Lumo Pumoste, spin move, fades away. Baget is boot, Kobe. And attacks, side step. Pass on the inside, floater. Na good, put back shot of the window, Manny. And here's Region 11. Number 3, pass inside, natapikan. Nakuha ni number 4. Nagmamadali baba ang bola, 2-on-1. Pass to the middle, lays it up, my foul, and the bucket. Backdoor inbound here. Bounce pass on the inside, number 2, pull up jumper. Manny. Pull up jumper again, bucket is good. And here's number 69, number 7, number 4. Pull up floater shot, bucket is good. And number 69, bumangga, fires off the window, tips in, wala, rebound, 1 Kaldag. And bumalik, uy, strong move. Biglang tumira ng 3, bang, 3 points. And that's the end of the game. Congratulations, Region 11, Davao.